Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome's slow downloading issues and improve its overall speed. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Change DNS settings. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, click Privacy and Security, then scroll down and click on Security. Scroll down and look for Use Secure DNS. Instead of your current provider, select Custom and choose either Google Public DNS or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Try both options and see which one gives you better performance in your location. Step 2. Enable parallel downloading. In the Chrome address bar, type Chrome//flags. Press Enter and search for parallel downloading. Enable it to boost Chrome's download speed. Step 3. Optimize system settings. Click the three dots in the upper right corner, then go to Settings, and this time to System. Under System, you'll find the Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed option. This should be turned off as it saves system resources. When available, turn on Hardware Acceleration as it improves performance. Step 4. Remove unnecessary extensions. Click the three dots again, go to Settings and then Extensions. Check your installed extensions and remove the ones you don't use. Extra extensions consume internet, RAM, and CPU, which can slow Chrome down. That's it. After applying these changes, restart Chrome and you should notice faster download speed and smoother performance. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more tech tips. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.